Beating heart of 3D is problem solving. In this two-part tutorial series, I'll walk you through an entire project during which dozens of problems arise, and I solve them one by one. In part 1, I tackle the modelling of this aircraft. So despite its deceptively simple appearance, this mesh presents some challenges because every single surface is curved. This means that adding details must be done carefully so as to maintain surface continuity. And my approach is to always create the big shapes first, and to add details later, reflowing the topology as needed. And this allows me to model quickly, always solving the problem in front of me, rather than trying to plan 5 steps ahead. So in this paradigm, topology is fluid, never fixed, and it can be reflowed whenever necessary. It's a workflow that keeps you moving, solve the problem in front of you, then move on to the next one. So take the guesswork out of problem solving with WARBIRD P47 Thunderbolt in Blender.